Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So, today is December 24th, and Gabriel and Demir and myself are going to open our presents.
It's not the 24th.
25th. Yeah, Christmas Day. I went to work the 24th, that's why.
Hey, what you get, buddy?
So, what happens when you work? Yeah, I had to work last night. Travelers, they don't get a chance to take PTO. So I had to work last night, but I love my job. I love the facility. I love my assignment, but I digress.
That's
So,
what you guys picked. Oh.
Demir, I just picked 3 random gifts that were under the tree, and he's just going to unwrap them. This is yours. You got one. Here's one. You gonna help your brother?
Yeah, it is hard.
You gonna help your brother? You gonna untie it?
Talking about take apart. Rip it.
Okay, rip it. Take it apart. Rip it. Okay. Alright, what is that?
It is journal.
Okay. Take everything off. What is it? It looks like, what? Looks like what? What does it look like? What does it say on it?
Have one? Oh no, shock-proof case?
Okay, so it's a case. Okay, so put that aside. You got a case. You got a case. Okay, put the trash. Look, put the trash over here. We're gonna get a bag. Put it right over there. Right there. Right here. Right there. Boom. That's it. Just put it to the side. Thank you. Now go to your next one. What's the next one you have?
The first one was the case.
Okay, now the next one. So we're just gonna rip it. We're not gonna think about, oh, mommy gonna save it. Just rip it. Use your good, make big muscles that God gave you, and rip. There you go. What's that? iPad? No, mommy can't afford iPad. It's something different. Has to be something different. What is it? Come on, use those muscles.
And it is a...
Gabriel, wait. Your brother's gonna help you in a second, okay? What do you have? What did you get?
It's a HD tape.
It's a what? What is it? It's a tablet.
It's a tablet for me.
Right, it's an Alexa, Amazon Fire 10-inch tablet. So you upgraded your tablet from the last one you had.
Okay.
You like it?
Do you have your tablet?
Yep.
Okay. Put those down.
We got 2 nice gifts so far, man.
Put those to the side.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next one now.
Okay.
So we're gonna put these over here on the table.
This one just ripped.
Rip it.
Oh, I know what it is. The one I've always been waiting
What's that?
for. A Nintendo Switch.
Oh, you know what it is.
Yes, it's only what I've been wishing for.
It's all you've been wishing for. Okay.
Rip it, man, rip it.
Give it like, whip it.
Yes. What's that?
Hey, yeah. Yay!
This is...
You got it tied down.
See?
Ooh, what you got?
It's a Nintendo Switch.
Oh yeah, you happy?
I am
He'll put that on the table. Put it over there. So you got your switch. You got your tablet. All right, now you gotta help your brother. Put the trash to the side in the garbage in the trash bag, and then help your brother.
Okay, bye.
Now you gotta help your brother with his gifts. Gabriel, get down. Can you get down, please? Thank you. Get down. Your brother's helping you, huh? They're roast. What you got?
Don't open it.
You happy? What did you get?
Get a candle in there.
Yeah, you gotta open it.
He doesn't know how to open it. I gotta
Open your gift. What's that? Oh, you keep open. You still opening? Okay. There you go, Gabriel. Rip it. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Open it. You open it?
take the stripes off. And then
Open it. Open it.
oh!
What's that? That's numbers and alphabets. Yeah, you're gonna learn your letters and your alphabets, the numbers.
And alphabet.
Yeah.
Oh!
Take this off.
Stop watching the food. Watch it early.
Okay.
It's a
All right.
card set.
It's a flashcard set, yeah. So where's the other two that I picked up? Another one for Gabriel. Let's see what you got.
It is
Yes. Underneath the cabinet, in the bottom. What you got?
these are
Books.
books.
Dr. Seuss books. Yes. You got books, Gabriel. So what's the name of the books?
Up on top, the very hungry caterpillar,
Mm-hmm.
the night construction site.
Remember you have a book like that? Don't you have a book like that? But it's bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And welcome, little one.
Okay, so you probably gonna have to read these to Gabriel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So put those on the table. That's the case for the tablet. So Alex is in the kitchen. Yes, yes. What we having for dinner, for breakfast? I keep saying dinner, overnight syndrome. We having callaloo and saltfish with paddle bread and some breadfruit. And we're gonna open 3 more gifts. So let's go. No fighting, no fighting. Why you fighting? So let's find 3 more gifts. All right, or maybe 2. It's medium size. So this is yours. This is Damir's. So hold on to that. That's 1. We're gonna do the big gifts last. No, don't pick up the big gift, Gabriel. Excuse me. What's this one? This one under here. This one heavy. This is yours, Gabriel. All right, you. That is not for you, Gabriel. That is for that's for mommy. Okay. Okay. So here, Damir. Here, Damir. Here. That's yours. And who does this belong to? This is Gabe's. Gabriel, that does not belong to you, honey. This is yours, baby. That's his. And who does this belong to? And this is also Gabe's. So 2 for you.
2 for me, 2 for you.
And 2 for Gabe. So let's go.
What are we waiting for?
Go ahead. You want to help him rip it open? Go ahead.
Here we go. There's nothing to lose.
Take this off. Put this to the side.
I don't know what this one is, because it's so medium size.
Okay, go ahead. That's not yours, Damir, Gabriel. That's not yours. Leave that there, please.
What's going on out here?
What you got?
Who got you that?
What?
What is
What's
that?
thing?
It's an Optimus Prime. What do you think it is, Daddy?
Let's go.
How about you turn it around?
Yeah, show the camera. What's
Turn it
inside?
around. Turn it the other way so you can see what's inside of it.
That thing heavy.
So he's always wanted another Transformer. These are actually collectibles. He's had them since he was
Little.
what, 5.
Yep.
So this is for the age of 8. So you're gonna hold on to that one, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So what do I do whenever we're finished?
What do you mean when it be finished? You can open it, not right now, but later. You just want to see what you have. So how about you put that by the fireplace over there, okay?
Okay.
Those are a lot of accessories, man.
Yeah. And put the trash to the side, and let's open the other one.
Well, this is like one big trash.
Was that part of your Christmas list?
Gabriel,
Yeah.
leave it alone.
You know what? I think that was a bad idea.
No, leave it
Come,
right
come,
there.
Down.
Leave it there.
Down.
Okay.
Down. Down. Down.
Come down, Gabriel, down.
What does that mean? Down.
No, leave it alone.
Leave it alone.
Come, open it alone. Look. who's
Open
it?
yours.
Come. Here.
Daddy gonna help you.
Open it. Come.
Can you pause this? I don't want to get copyrighted.
Oh, you open it?
It's my body.
Oh, that is actually, that
You
is
know what
not
it is?
Gabriel's.
That's mine.
That is Jameer's.
Yup.
Yeah, I wrapped it wrongly. Yeah, that's Jameer's. So because you are going to be learning about the body in school. So you're going to learn the body, the organs, the muscles, and the bones. So that's why I got these for you to put on your wall so that you're able to know them. So you put on the wall, and then it gives you you touch and you can say what it is, and it also has like a game. So,
On the back.
no, I'm turning it over so that you can see what they have there. So they have, see the scapula, the sternum, the humerus where it is,
My
the
bones.
yes, and then the muscles, tendons, then the organs, the heart, the stomach, the spleen. Remember you was asking me the other day about, is skin an organ? I said yes, it's the largest organ of the body. And then this is the whole body. So we'll put this up in your room another time, but that's something that you need.
Okay.
It's
now
okay.
that-
That's fine. Okay, open your other one. It's okay. Either way, he's gonna pick up
Okay,
pick up
next
something
gift.
from somewhere.
This is the next gift. And this is, I know. What? Don't tell me it's a book. Don't.
It's not. Well, let's see what it is.
Dare. Don't you dare. Okay. Get this thing off. It is.
Okay, what is that?
Okay, this is. I don't know if it's a book.
You don't know if it's a book?
It's a Dog Man of the Super Epic Collection.
So what do you think is over here?
Books.
Yes.
Next gift, and this is. That's games.
Okay, open it.
Okay.
Yeah, that belongs to him.
Yep. Just playing other thing. Now, what is? Oh, it's a learning chart.
Yes, it teaches him his alphabet. Teaches him 26 letters and words, 10 numbers, and melodies. There you go. So You know, this is for him. Yeah, Papa, look, you got some stuff. Look, this is yours. It's okay. It's okay. Put it over here. You don't want him to touch it. Put it on the table. Alright. So we're probably gonna eat. Alex gonna go shower. I'm gonna make myself a mimosa, which is pineapple juice. Huh? It's on the bed in the bedroom. You're welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself a mimosa.
Oh, it's almost done.
Yeah, you can continue watching it. They're watching the Christmas. What's this called? Carol. What's the name of? Yes. What's the name of this show? Claus. Isn't this so cute? I have all my little silverware, my utensils, and it spins. If you know me, I've always wanted a mortar for my seasoning. This one is good. I ain't gonna lie. I probably will get us also a ceramic one, but this is good for now. I can beat my garlic, my onion, my thyme, everything in here, and it spins. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my drink. Also, you know, y'all know I do love glass and mason jars. I love them. So this is one I have as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour my mimosa for the day. It's gonna be pineapple juice and prosecco. Yep. I wonder what it tastes. Tastes like prosecco. Not bad. Okay, it's another round. We just had breakfast. What do we have? We had callaloo and saltfish with some. I told you guys. Callaloo and saltfish with fried breadfruit. Yeah. So these are the gifts we're gonna open now. So since Alex went under the tree, so this one is for Demir. This one, this is the long one, and this one is for. I think this is for me. This is mine. And that's for Daddy. That's for Alex.
Now you need one, man. Come, look.
You have to find one for Gabriel.
You need
Now.
open this little one.
This is
What?
mine?
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay. Sorry, it's not wrapped, guys. It came yesterday, and
Came on time.
Gabriel took all the tape out of the tape thing. I had no tape, so that's why it's not wrapped.
Okay.
What else?
Molly gonna do it?
Wait, not yet. You have to wait till everybody,
Oh, right.
you know, settle in. Who's the that for?
Oh, yeah. All right.
That's for Gabe. Okay, so no, Papa. Gabe has one. Come, Papa.
See, this is yours. Look, here.
Why would?
That's yours.
Because you get busted.
Gabe has one. Alex has one.
Yeah.
Demir has one.
All right, I'm gonna help
And
you.
I have two. No, Demir has. Oh yeah. So we're gonna unwrap now and see what's inside. So y'all go ahead and start. I'll do mine last, and then baby you can hold the camera. Go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead.
Go there and go to me. Go.
Okay, first of all.
You want help?
Oh, it's a piano.
Piano.
A keyboard? What's
Nope.
that? Was that on your Christmas list?
Yeah. It was.
Yeah, it was on your Christmas list.
It was on
Yeah.
Yamaha. Yamaha piano.
Man, get it.
Now we gotta set this up in his room somewhere. Okay. All right. Gabriel, you want to open this too?
Your turn, buddy. Come. I got you.
Come. You've been banging down the floor. Come.
Open it. Oh, what's that? What's that?
What's that?
Educational and creative. It's a toy. Oh, let's see.
Okay.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh. It's like a little game.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a little game.
Yeah, you going to work today. Yeah, man. The boss approved.
Oh! Okay, you're going to work today, buddy.
Yeah, you like it?
Man, but I guess you're going to work today.
All right.
Give us a what's in that box.
I like your turn, babe.
Oh, these are shapes.
What?
Hey,
What? Yeah.
another one?
Another one. Another one.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but this is more tools, man.
Oh, that.
Who got this? Thank you.
I don't know.
Yeah.
What is that?
A
What
5
does
tool
it have
combo
in
kit.
it?
You got drill, impact gun, flashlight. What is that? The
It's a
sander.
sander.
And
And I think that's the she said that was
that
a
looks like the saw.
stapler.
No, that looks like the saw.
Oh, it's a saw. Oh, she said it was a staple gun.
No, so I'm gonna read Spanish. I'm gonna read that
It's,
one.
it's right there. What is it? Complete.
What is this? Oh, oscillating multi-tool.
Okay.
It's a multi-tool. Can be used for multiple things.
Are you going to
Yeah, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who got you got it? Yay! Thank you.
Well, you know you guys are wearing the same
Happy?
outfit, right?
Yep.
Oh, careful.
Careful,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
All right, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Turn. Just
Okay,
hold
right.
it.
Yeah, no.
Hold it.
Alright, fair turn.
I didn't even
No. Hope you gotta open the little ones first. See, people. Here's the truth.
Well, I'm done
The box big. She wanna open it.
Yeah, I want to open
Now you talk like Papa.
Huh? Yeah, but because the box is big, mommy wants to open the big one first.
Because she.
But
No, you're big. She's small.
yeah.
All right, I didn't open it in the kitchen.
Okay, let's see what it got.
What is this?
You have to find out, Mom.
Open it.
It's a
Why
cord.
are you throwing it down like you gotta take it down?
No,
Suave,
that's
suave.
no, that's not. That's not.
Oh, it's a cord. That is you buy this for Mommy?
It's a charger.
A charger.
Yup.
Take it
For
in.
your phone. New phone.
Can I phone this?
So, yeah, the phone that she has now, this is like a 64 gigabyte phone. It doesn't really have much space, and my wife isn't very computer literate. So, I got her a more up-to-date iPhone, and it has way more space than she can ever use. I think it's like 512 gigabytes.
Yeah. Unlock.
So she can, yes, unlock 512 gigabytes. It's an XS Pro or whatever it is. It's a newer phone than what she has. So she'll be able to video, record, edit from this phone.
Quicker, right, Daddy?
Thank
Look at her
you,
face.
babe.
You're welcome. Hey.
Thank you. Cause now I gotta get to know this phone.
It's the
Look
same.
at
It's the
iPhone.
same.
It's
It's an
okay, Mom. She
iPhone.
still loves
Yeah,
it.
but which iPhone is this? It's bigger and it's heavier.
Junior, my brother, the computer guy, will update you. On
Yeah, I don't know what
everything you
kind
need
of
to know.
phone this is.
Oh, you.
Oh Lord, I'm not gonna learn.
You're gonna have to get used to it.
Okay.
And I gotta get you a case.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yay. You're
Thank
welcome. Yay. She up to date now. Enough memory.
Yeah.
She can't run out
I
that
was not
memory ever.
expecting I get a phone. I'm
Ever.
happy. But you know, yeah. So I almost forgot about this one. I don't know what this is. I think this is shoes.
Please.
Yeah.
Amazon make enough Christmas merry, you know. What? How that? How that? Hold up. Nah, that's Gabriel.
This is Gabriel.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Gabe. Look.
Yeah, you got a tool set?
Oh, you got a
What?
tool set.
What?
What?
Oh, that's
Now he can leave my tools alone.
That's good.
Gabe, look. Sorry, babe. you wrote on there.
I thought it was because you said it was no, but you didn't buy me anything else, did you?
No.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh no. That thing costed too much, my dear. Yeah, but you wrote. You got to
Wait for everybody. This is for Alex. This is yours. Babe. I don't think I'm Oh, I know what this is. I'll open it first. I know what it is. When I open it, what is this? This is for Demir. Here.
That's one.
What is
I
that?
think you can put
I
it
don't
to
know
the
what that
side right
is.
here.
Whose is this? This is yours too, Alex.
You don't say. Why it look heavy? What?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, right. You got it.
The tree finish.
It is?
No, one more.
You guys in there. No, two more.
Ooh.
That's
Sorry,
one.
babe. Sorry. What?
Oh, that's for your daddy.
What is it? What
I
is
know
it?
what that is.
Well, you wrapped them. Oh, this one wasn't right.
That didn't get wrapped because
Yeah.
you know what it is. So
Mhm.
I
You
said I'm
got-
not
yeah,
gonna wrap
you guys saw it already.
it. Yeah.
And you guys always
It's okay.
take away my walkie-talkie from work. So here. You guys got your own walkie-talkie now.
Okay, ready? Y'all open.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh, which one you
Oh.
want to open? Oh, open the bottom one since you're ready. Go ahead.
Okay. Huh? Rip it, man. Rip it. Rip it. What?
Oh, let me help.
You did it, man. What's that?
It's a
Queen set?
Yeah,
A blow
comforter.
No.
No, it's not a blow. It's a comforter.
It
It's
goes
a sheet.
on top of your
Bed.
top of your bed.
Yeah, comforter.
This is
set.
that's Uggs comfortable.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a brand.
This is
So I'm gonna put this on you. Now you have a set, another sheet.
Now what do I do?
So put this here.
Oh, this is mine.
All right, that's yours. Okay, go ahead.
What?
Double mine.
Go ahead. Oh.
Okay, why you wanna stand on my What?
You got sneakers.
What?
All right, try it.
Rip it, man. Rip it. Right there.
Do I have to open it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
open
open
already.
it.
Okay.
You got shoes.
These are shoes. Yep.
They're boots.
So, Ma, what are these for?
They're boots.
No, what are they for? School?
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
School or you can go out in them.
Man, these are good ones.
You like that?
Yeah, better than my other ones.
Alright, good.
All right. Put it in.
good. I got you, man. You like them? You had a pair when you was.
Yeah, he had a pair of them when he was little, like 5.
Yeah.
And he didn't get a chance to wear them.
This is
All right, babe, your turn.
That is your turn.
Somebody
Go, go, go.
You okay, baby?
go.
Wow.
You okay?
Right.
Baby down. He's smiling. Oh, yeah, he said, I'm okay.
Put this all, cover it, please.
What's up with this shit?
Oh, this is here.
Mine?
Yeah.
That's
here.
yours, Daddy. Thank you.
You probably know what that is.
Daddy, you know what it is?
Yeah. This is a part of the.
Welcome to the HVAC world.
Yeah. My hoses, my hoses.
That's why you always been what you want.
Yes, it's gonna help me with my job. Thank you guys. And what? Can I open one?
Yeah.
Which one? Which one is it? I'm trying to figure it out.
That's
Ooh.
good.
You put
Oh,
it in
yeah.
a box.
That's yours.
You put it in a box. What you put it in a box?
That is for you.
Yes.
Yes. You better be excited.
The S-Men 480V. Oh yeah. Thank you.
For that.
What you give?
Daddy party.
Yeah.
What are you, Gabriel? What are you doing?
Gabe, where you going, buddy? Where you going? Come on. Where you going? Oh, that's why you're so active. Are you candy? Hmm? No, I don't want all the candy.
All right.
But yeah. Thank you,
Got the
guys.
gauge. Okay.
Mom. I'm official now. What? These are my prized possessions now. What?
Okay.
Your turn. Who goes?
Me?
No.
Oh.
Baby, still
Gabe, your
got stuff.
turn. Come.
Baby.
Gabe. Look. Gabe.
That's good.
Yeah, there's a game on it.
Come. Look.
Baby.
You open it. Come here, baby, man.
Ooh.
Gabe, look. Gabriel. Look. Listen.
They're like, oh, please. Oh, please. Oh! It's a floor.
What's that?
Soft foam
See the
puzzle
baby?
mat.
Yeah, that's for you. Yeah.
Get it for me?
You got it for mommy? Yeah, mommy got it for baby. Yeah, the baby. Yeah, you gonna make it? We're gonna build it?
Man, by now you don't have to worry about more.
Okay. What's next?
Alright, one more to go. Oh!
That.
Whoa, that one, that might come now. Yeah, you gonna see that again?
Mm-hmm. What's that?
That what is it?
Yeah, no, I'm on an iPhone. I've never been an iPhone person.
You got yourself a phone?
What?
But it's not the,
Say what?
this is an older. Yeah, don't worry, your phone is more up to date and more expensive than mine. Yeah. But I was tired of my little cheap, yeah, my phone is very slow. You know, I had to get me a little gift to myself.
Okay.
What is this now? Last one.
Oh, you
It's
gonna
gonna
like
be
those.
the best one.
You gonna like that.
Maru? Who knows I'm a Marvel geek?
I do.
Yo, 15 days of socks. The original 12 days of socks. Plus 3 more socks for free. Yeah. Yeah, my baby knows I'm a Marvel geek. Yes, people, yeah, like more, yes. Growing up like cartoons. Yay! Thank you, baby. Thank you. Yay! Socks. Mhm.
Wow, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you. Stop right.
This
Yours
is,
and
okay. Excuse me.
Yeah, is it? Wait, what did it say?
Oh, I know what this is.
Yeah.
So we don't have it yet, but we're gonna get it.
Okay.
And when we get it,
Okay.
we're gonna put this on it.
That's gonna create Christen.
These are king size 1200 red cotton blend sheets.
Yeah, that's gonna christen the new bed.
Yeah, these are
Yeah, man. The bed not reach yet enough, but yeah, man. Don't worry about it. That this I got christen the new bed when it reach.
Yes. So there are 2 other gifts that are not on the tree for Gabriel.
Bye. Where you going? Bye. Don't break it. Oh, you want to open your walkie-talkie? Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Look at it. You just glued to your hands.
actually it's 3 more. Cause one of my I couldn't because I didn't have the
open it now.
Yeah, I'll open it. I'll help you. Yeah, you can open it. If you can open it. I'll help you open it.
Okay, basically it is glued.
I'll help you open it in a second.
There we go. Woo.
So this is it's a learning mat. Yeah, it's a learning
Well,
mat.
Gabe, you got two mats.
It does like ABCs and songs and stuff.
That one has like a little note.
Yeah. I won't open it up because I'll put it back in. So that's that.
Gabriel, no. Yeah, huh? I see you.
And then
I see
Tarzan.
you.
Gabriel also needs sheets. But he's a baby, so he don't get the expensive. So he got sheets. And then we got him a comforter. Feel this.
Oh yeah, man, that's
It's
hefty.
heavy.
That's a blanket.
Yeah, it's a blanket.
Oh, ain't not for him good. Hey, Mr. Demolition Man.
Alright, what else? And I think these I got. This is a
Thank you,
books.
God. Good night.
Thank you,
Thank you,
God. Good night. Yeah, Gabriel love him book, man. Love
And these are
love
stocking
bring book to
stuffers.
people for read.
I got this for you and Gabriel. And then y'all
What's that?
actually have stocking stuffers in your stock.
Bubble bath.
Some bubble bath there?
So Gabriel got pajamas. He got pajamas.
The man, go grab the stuff out the stocking.
I don't think the man, he has like, oh, this is yours, babe. I got you these.
Oh, thank you.
'Cause you
Oh,
always
yeah.
got a headache
Hey, well, video.
and you always need
Yeah,
light.
yeah. Don't know, you know. Know them before, you know, yeah.
Yeah, so. I got pajamas.
If I
for
lose
the
my
man. I mean, for Gabriel.
lighter. Give thanks.
Yeah, so. These are just pajamas. Because you know pajamas be expensive and they was on sale for $40.
Ooh, Gabe, yeah, man, you need some pajamas, man. You need pajamas. Yeah, you need pajamas. You like your boots, man?
Pajamas.
Like your boots?
Try it?
You
Careful.
like it?
Yeah, I do. But Dad,
Pajamas.
open the water.
I'll help you.
This Oh, this is Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
I don't think there's anything else.
Play-Doh.
No, nothing else.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah,
Gotta
there you
clean
go.
up.
Where's the clean?
We gonna put. So, I took a nap.
I've been up.
He's been up. I took a nap because I slept. I went to work last night and I said, you know what, I'm gonna stay up with the kids and I'm open up the gifts, but then I crashed. So now I'm making some fried fish. Nothing too extra, just a good meal. I'm making some fried fish, some fried rice, and I have some cold food, and I think that's about it. We have fruit juice, cereal, black cake, banana bread, and some pudding. So yeah, that's what we're gonna make. So nothing out of the ordinary, just good old meal. So I'm gonna finish up. I'll show you guys the fried rice. So I browned all of the sausage, you guys can see. So now I have some shrimp. I'm gonna add probably at the end because I don't want it to overcook. So I add all my veggies already. So I'm gonna add my rice, and you know the egg have to go in. So yeah. What? Outside smell like hell, Shalich. Oh. I hope. Yeah. You were saying?
What are they gonna eat? They can
Fried
have
rice. They
rice
can
and
have callaloo. Yeah. Yeah. If then I can pick the fish for me if you want some. The fish. Yeah. Hope everybody enjoy their Christmas. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I'm getting some blemishes on my face. I don't know if it's stress, but you see pimples on my face. Over here. Yeah. What? Yeah, I noticed it from the other day.
So I put it on there.
Oh, that too. Yeah.
You know, it's hard, but you got it.
But also, you know, the mask.
That too. The other day I put on a mask.
Yeah,
Look,
the mask.
I literally put on a mask
Yeah.
for like half hour.
Yeah.
And we're
Yes, honey.
right. That's it.
What you said? Yeah, you break out from, you know.
It's dirt. The way your skin.
Yeah.
All that hot air.
Yeah, you
There's
breathing
some
in,
blue
breathe,
green
yeah.
hot air. It's like it's,
And then you try to move it to get some air, boom, pimple right there.
yeah, your pores open with
Yeah.
hotness. It's dirt up on your skin. The dirt is like right in your
Here, Mom,
pores.
come in.
Anything else should
Feel like a sous chef.
be dishes. Okay? Yeah, anything else should be dishes that we eat.
Hey, we have paper plate. And we have
See?
paper fork.
I ain't washing no more.
No more washing. He ain't washing no more. No more, still no more. Save time over. Save time over, massa. Oh, Lord. There you go. What do you want me to do? Put it here.
Hey, pick up the pot, come on, we'll go inside.
I'm sorry. The rice is actually coming out really good.
Alright, go check the band now.
You can check. Well, you can check the bottom. I'm never put an egg.
You want to do that the way.
Yeah, I just don't want you to make it too crunchy.
Go look at the pot.
I'm going outside. That's where the fish is being. The bami, I cook the fish outside and the bami outside. So I'm gonna check it. Done. See? Fish. See that? It's the fish. The bami. Yeah. So I didn't want this to cook too much. So I didn't get too crunchy. So I just wanted it to fry a little bit, and that's it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Camera don't do it no justice here. I'm just gonna make the fried rice. Watch it. So I don't cook. I gotta stop. So we had not idea. We're thinking like, watch him. What does Christmas mean to you?
For me, Christmas to me is about family. Family and basically reminiscing about the past and what y'all have overcome in the past and how better y'all have gotten throughout the year. It's basically about family for me. Because growing up, I was fortunate to have the Christmas trees and the lights outside. And I grew up in Waterhouse, Kingston, Jamaica. So it's not like I grew up rich, but my grandparents and my parents were always, fortunate to say, at least you got some lights and a tree and a few presents.
For real.
But it's mainly about family because that's when everybody gathered at the house. That's when, you sit down and you
get that
the
meal.
grandparents talk about certain stories, so the stories stick with you for years to come.
Yeah.
So it's mainly about family for me. Yeah.
Same way. For me, Christmas is about togetherness, eating a good meal, gifts. Yeah, you can always get gifts, but I don't think that's the core of Christmas. Obviously, everybody have their own belief. Some people say it's the day that Jesus was born. Some people say it wasn't. Hey, your religion, it is what it is. I believe that, yes, it was the day that, God was born, because that's what I was raised on. That's what my mom tells me. So that's the only thing I know. But, yeah, Christmas is about family. It's about connecting, reminiscing, like how Alex said, good food, good vibes, liquor, alcohol. Yeah, so that's what it's about. Decorations. I like to decorate. I'm a simple person, but then I'm not simple. But yeah, I like the lights. I like the tree. If I could have a tree in every room, I would. But for the most part, yeah, it's about family. Togetherness, good vibes, good food, blessings, because after Christmas is New Year, new stuff, new goals, and just keep it going. So yeah, Christmas means that's about it. Togetherness, good vibes, keeping that faith, staying blessed, walk by faith, not by sight. Keep it going. So I'm almost done. The fried rice is pretty much finished. Cook out my egg. Can't have fried rice without egg, people. You cannot have fried rice without egg. So if you're cooking a fried rice and you don't have egg, start over or add it to the middle and stir till it cook out. Okay? Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do right now. The fried rice. Ooh, fried rice looks very good. And I had this rice for maybe a couple of days, 3 days. So it's perfect. But I'm going to get back to y'all when everything pretty much set up. Yeah. So I'm sharing out the dinner. Y'all like my little pots? I like these ceramic pots. So I'm going to share the cow foot, the fish, and the bammies around on the table. We had a little bit of callaloo and saltfish from this morning that the mayor said he still wants because he like it. And then we have the fried rice, and that's about it. So we got juice, and then the desserts and stuff. And we have some lasagna. Yeah, my mom brought some lasagna, so I'm probably gonna warm that up in the oven, or if whoever want, just take it out and put it in the microwave, so we don't have to wait so long to eat. Cause what time is it? It's almost 6:30. So, yeah, hungry. So hey, I've been thinking, if you're not subscribed to my channel, Alfia's World, where it's not just my world, it's your world. And for the most part, it's God's world. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Click that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. I know a lot of people, they don't see my videos post because I think when you subscribe and you hit the bell at the side, you have to click down and go to all, so it tells you every time I upload something, you get all of it. So yeah, so like, subscribe, share, comment. Don't be afraid to talk to me. I do talk a lot, so I will talk back to you. Okay, so I'm gonna set up everything. I just have the cow foot left to put on the table, and I'll get right back to you.
Yeah, you too.
Guys, look, my mommy's here. Look, mommy's here. Mommy, tell them, what does Christmas mean to you?
Christmas is just another day. It's not Christmas to me. Christmas is just another day, guys. Every day is Christmas.
Yeah,
I don't believe in Christmas. I believe every day is Christmas. So that's it. Gifts is every day you get a gift. You give a gift every day. That's my belief in Christmas.
That's how I was raised. Mommy never said, "Oh, let's save this for Christmas." She said, "I'll buy it. Do whatever you want to do with it."
It's just every day.
She was always
Christmas,
like
guys.
that. Yeah, every day is Christmas. So you got that from Mommy.
Merry
Every day is
Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. God bless. A lot of blessings.
A lot of love.
Eat a lot of curry goat and oxtail and black cake, lasagna, which I made for my daughter. And we love you guys. We love you.
You heard it from my mommy. So that's what we have. Yes, I glued this back together because this is a one of a kind. Don't judge me. So we have some cow foot here. We have this from this morning, calgo, but somebody will eat this, either me or Alex or the kids. And this is the fish with the bami. This is my seasoned rice, and we're gonna eat. Over here we have the sweets. We have some black cake. We have some banana bread, obviously part of bread. Some natural juice, sour sop. I think it's some pineapple Alex made up in here. And this is our sorrel. So yes, we're about to dig in, eat and drink.